Yeah, I mean, look, I think it's huge if you want to buy a good deal, if you want to buy it at a right price, you got to have that patience. It is tougher when you're talking about a larger firm that has overhead and has payroll they got to pay, right?
Yeah,
All
for
that kind of
sure.
stuff. But you've got to have that patience and not just do a deal to do a deal.
Yeah.
Not that everybody has that. You know, there are some groups out there doing some questionable deals as far as pricing, things that we just wouldn't feel comfortable moving forward on. But yeah, I mean, I think that the best deals are made in those windows that you talked about.
Yeah.
And I think this is one of those times where if we're not at the bottom, we're somewhere near it.
Yeah. You guys can you feel it in the air, you're like, I know deals are on the horizon. Is that kind of the feeling you get?
Yeah, I mean, you see it, right? When you see some of these sellers getting that motivated or willing to take a loss. I mean, we've seen a lot of that.
Yeah.
That's usually the time where deals are to be had.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You seen the same thing?
Yeah, and to your point about the window, it's like you don't know the bottom until it's already past you.
Yeah,
So that's
correct.
part of the problem. But if you look at like Blackstone and KKR, they're making $10 billion bets that's already been at the bottom. So they're a lot smarter than me and have a lot more money than me. So you kind of watch that and see what they're doing. The windows for us, it's a 5-year window. Usually for us, it's a 5-year business plan for our deals.
Yeah.
Sometimes we're able to do that in 2 years, but for market cycles, it's really hard to say what the window is. So I'd say,
Which speaks to the ability, if you don't know what the window is going to be, just consistently putting in the work and consistently trying to find deals, and you don't have to know when the windows are because you're going to be active when that window approaches. Would you say that's correct?
that is 100. Yeah, our director of acquisitions and senior underwriter would agree with you there. I mean, he just said that the other day about we're buying deals that make sense today. We're not betting on the future.